The SAMA V60 mid-tower case delivers unusually strong cooling out of the box, with 7 pre-installed addressable fans and generous radiator support that easily handles demanding gaming or creator hardware. Its roomy interior fits full-size ATX boards, long modern graphics cards, and sizable power supplies, so you can plan an ambitious high-end build without worrying about clearance. Dual curved, tempered glass panels create a wide-open showcase for your components and lighting while still feeling solid and well-constructed. Front panel connectivity is up to date with a fast Type-C port, multiple standard USB ports, and dedicated controls for lighting right within easy reach. Thoughtful touches like magnetic dust filters, tool-free access, and sensible cable routing paths make building and maintenance straightforward even for less experienced builders. Support for back-connect motherboards and multiple radiator positions gives this case a clean, modern look with excellent airflow options that rival more expensive enclosures.